How to change a Facebook profile to digital creator. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your profile to a digital creator. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Facebook app and make sure to get logged into your Facebook account. Now tap onto your profile page on your top. As you do so, tap onto your name under menu. Then tap on three dot icon just beside your edit profile. As you do so, you will land onto profile settings page. Under here, tap on turn on professional mode. Tap on turn on. And just like so, you can also add your other details if you would like. For instance, you can link your WhatsApp account. Now go back and refresh your page. And just like so, this is how you can switch your profile to a professional account. And that is how you can do it. So that will be the end of today's tutorial. In case you had found this video to be helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.